Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Settings on your iPhone or System Preferences on Mac and locating your Apple ID. This is where the display name lives. Once done, tap or click Name, Phone, Email to access contact info. Make sure you are signed in with the Apple ID you want to edit and that two-factor authentication is working. Doing this prevents sync issues. If you're on a Mac, open Mail Preferences afterward to check account settings in parallel as you change the name. Now change the display name. Edit the first and last name fields tied to your Apple ID or the Mail account settings. On iPhone, tap Edit next to Reachable at, then the name field. On Mac, update the full name in Internet accounts or Mail accounts. Save the change and sign out /in if prompted so the servers update your profile. This updates the name recipients see when you send mail. Allow a few minutes for iCloud to propagate to all linked devices. Finish by sending a test message to confirm the new display name appears for recipients. Check both the Mail app and iCloud. If the old name still shows, sign out of your Apple ID on devices, restart, and sign back in to force a sync. Also inspect Mail account settings for alternative display name overrides and correct any alias or forwarded account entries. If problems continue, wait 30 minutes and retry, since propagation delays are common with Apple's servers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.